Hi guys, we are going to discuss about 10th standard CBSE Science Term 1 question and answer set number 4 question paper code 031/1/4. Now going to section A. Okay. A student while burning a magnesium ribbon in air collected the products in a wet wash cloth. The new product obtained was they given for answer. Answer is C. Answer is C. Magnesium hydroxide. Second question. Consider the following chemical equation. 2NaOH plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. The correct statement or the answer, second one answer is A. Answer is A. Third question. Select the correct matching in the following table in connection with the given chemical reaction. CuSO4 plus Fe gives FeSO4 plus Cu. The correct answer is D. Blue, pale green, brown is displacement. Fourth question. Consider the following process. Fourth question answer is D. Second and fourth. Second, sublimation of dry ice. Fourth, dissolution of ammonium chloride in water. Next, fifth question. Fifth one. A solution gives yellowish orange color when a few drops of universal indicator are added to it. The solution is of the answer is fifth one answer is A. Lemon juice. Next, sixth one. Concentrated H2SO4 is diluted by adding drop by drop. Sixth one answer is B. B. Acid to water with constant stirring. Next, seventh question. Absence of tartaric acid in baking powder makes the taste of the cake bitter due to the presence of. The option is B. B is sodium carbonate. Next question. Next, eighth question. The pH of acid rain is approximately. The answer is A. 5.6. Ninth question. Salt A, commonly used in products, is a reactant to produce salt B, used in the kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoras. Salt B on heating converts into another salt C, which is used in manufacturing of glass. Salt A, B and C respectively are. Ninth question. Answer is D. NaCl, NaHCO3, Na2CO3. 10th question. In the following diagram, what would happen if some amount of sodium hydroxide is taken in place of sulfuric acid and the test tube is heated? 10th question answer is C. The amount of H2 gas evolved is less. C. Next, 11th. In human alimentary canal, the specific enzymes are juice are secreted in locations 1, 2 and 3. The answer is the answer is B. Amylase, bile, trypsin. Next, 12th question. The sequence of anaerobic respiration in our muscle cells during heavy exercise is answer is A. Answer is A. Glucose gives to pyruvate in cytoplasm. Pyruvate gives to lactic acid plus energy in muscle cell. Next, going to 13th question. The separation of the right side and the left side of human heart is useful to 13th answer is A. Keep oxygenated blood from mixing with deoxygenated blood. Now going to 14th question. In spring, sugar stored in root or stem tissue of plant is transported to the buds for 14th question answer is A. The energy needs of the buds to grow. 15th question. The answer released during cellular respiration is used to synthesize. Answer is C. ATP. 16th question. Upward movement of water in tall trees is due to answer is D. Transpiration. Answer is transpiration. 17th question. If a lens and a spherical mirror both have a focal length of minus 15 cm, then it may be concluded that answer is A. Both are concave. Answer is A. Both are concave. Now next 18th question. An optical device forms an erect image of an object placed in front of it. If the size of the image is one half that of the object, the optical device is a 18th question is answer B. Convex mirror. B. Convex mirror. 19th question. A student determines the focal length of a device A by focusing the image of a far off object on a screen placed on the opposite side of the object. The device A is 19th question C. Answer is C. Convex lens. Next 20th question. When light is incident on a glass slab, the incident ray, refracted ray and the emergent ray are in three media A, B and C. If N1, N2 and N3 are the refractive indices of A, B and C respectively, and the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray, which of the following is true? Answer is D. N1 equal to N3 less than N2. Answer is D. Next, 21st question. The image of a candle flame formed by a lens is obtained on a screen placed on the other side of the lens. According to new Cartesian sign convention, if the image is 3 times the size of the flame, then the lens is 21st answer is C. Convex and the magnification is -2. Convex and the magnification is minus 3. 21st answer is C. Convex and the magnification is minus 3. Okay, next. 22. The power of a combination of two lenses in contact is plus 1.0 d. If the focal length of one of the lenses of the combination is plus 22.0 centimeter, the focal length of the other lens would be 22 answer C minus 25.0 centimeter. C. When a ray of light passes through a glass prism, it suffers two refractions. During this refraction, the ray bends. 23 answer B. Towards the base in both cases. B. 24th question. To an astronaut, the sky on the moon appears dark because 24th answer is B. And there is no atmosphere on the surface of the moon. 25th question. When lead nitrate power is heated in a boiling tube, we observe 25th question answer A. Brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide. 26th. An aqueous solution of a salt shows an orange red color when a drop of universal indicator is added to it. This salt is made up of, answer is C. 26th answer is C. A strong acid and a weak base. 27th. Three test tubes A, B and C contain distilled water, an acidic solution and a basic solution respectively. When red litmus solution is used for testing this solution, the observed color changes respectively will be, answer is D. Answer is D. A becomes light red, B becomes dark red, C becomes blue. 28th question. Given below is a reaction showing Kohler alkali process. NaCl plus H2O gives NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. 28th answer is B. Near the cathode, at the anode, at the cathode. 29th question. In the activity shown in the diagrams, if the climate is humid, the role of calcium chloride taken in the God tube is to, answer is 29 answer is C. Triglass. 30th question. Which one of the following chemical is used in soda acid fire extinguishers? 30th answer is C. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, C. Now, 31st question. Assertion A. Silver salt are used in black and white photography. Reason: silver salt do not compose in the presence of light. 31st answer is C. Assertion A is true, but reason R is false. C is correct answer. 32. Assertion A. The solution of ionic compounds are good conductor of electricity. Reason: movement of atoms of element take place in solution. 32 answer is C. 32 answer is C. 33. Assertion A. The rate of breathing in aquatic organisms is much slower than that seen in terrestrial organisms. Reason: the amount of oxygen dissolved in water is very low as compared to the amount of oxygen in air. 33 answer is D. Answer is D. 34. Assertion: kerosene having higher refractive index is optically denser than water, although its mass density is less than that of water. Reason: the speed of light decides whether a medium is optically rarer or optically denser. An optically denser medium may not possess greater mass density. 34th answer is B. 35. Match the metal column 1 with its reaction oxygen column 2. Column 1 and 2 they given. The answer is 35 answer is A. 36. 4 test tubes A, B, C and D are taken. In test tube A, iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution. In test tube B, copper wire is dipped in ferrous sulfate solution. In test tube C, zinc metal is dipped in ferrous sulfate solution. And in test tube D, iron nail is dipped in zinc sulfate solution. The reactivity order has been found to be zinc Zn greater than Fe greater than Cu. In which test tubes was the color changes observed? 36th answer is A. A and C. 37th. The functions not performed by Willy is D. Digestion of food. 38. In the given diagram, A, B, C and D respectively are. Which one correct? 38. D is correct. A, right kidney, vena cava, C, aorta, D, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. 39th question. Thin walled blood vessels are called B. Answer is B. 39th answer is B. Capillaries. The function of lining of mucus in the nasal passage of human being is to 40th question's answer is C. Filter the air that we breathe in. 41th question. In the following flowchart showing autotrophic nutrition in green plants, A and B respectively are. 41th question is answer energy and starch. A. 41th answer is 41th answer is C.